Chief Minister Yumnam Kheemchan has asserted that his government also support the implementation of National Register of Citizens (NRC) before census, and the interest of state government and people are aligned when it comes to demand of NRC before census. The Chief Minister, however, appealed people to carry out different form of democratic protests over the general strike or ban, as they adversely affect the lives of school and college students and daily wage earners in the state. Chief Minister Kheemchan was speaking during homecoming ceremony of 46 cadres of the proscribed Kangleipa Communist Party Taibanganba group, including the chairman of KCP Taibanganba, Hawijam Dilip, alias Taibanganba. The ceremony was organized by the Home Department at the 1st Manipur Rifles Parade Ground today. Speaking further, addressing the gathering, Chief Minister Kheemchan asserted that the crisis that took place on May 3, 2023 may have instigated some individuals to pick up arms and join insurgent groups. He said the government loaded the rebel group for coming forward to surrender, stating that holding guns has not brought peace. He added that the government would extend all possible support to those who have surrendered. He maintained that the surrender was taking place under the revised Surrender Cum Rehabilitation Policy 2018, under which each surrendered cadre would be provided a monthly stipend of up to Rs 6,000 for 36 months and a fixed deposit grant of Rs 4 lakh. He added that the government would extend support for providing skill-based training to help them earn their livelihood.
Kangleipa Communist Party ki Taibanganba amadi magi group ai taram na upsani amadi sarkar ki maikai dagi angamba mateng pangkanda akoi kulai paiba Taga kulai ki mapana koi sakat pal lamama oiba yaro haiba khanbiraga thopireba kudimaku aina amuka na suikai khumdu chari koi ki Taibanganba group ki mioi nipu taru de kulai kun duga loina na aina thamjani si ngasigi function si koi revised surrender cum Rehabilitation Policy 2018 की मखादनी
KCP Taibanganba group Hawijam Dilip alias Taibanganba asserted that the group, along with the cadres, took up arms to protect people and territorial integrity of Manipur when conflict broke out on May 3, 2023. Peace and normalcy is slowly returning in the state, and as a result, his group has decided to give up their arms and join the mainstream once again. During the ceremony, acceptance of surrender was also signed between the government and the KCP Taibanganba group. The homecoming ceremony was attended by Deputy Chief Minister Lo Sidiko, Art and Culture and Tourism Minister Kuraijam Lukain Singh, several MLAs, Security Advisor Kuldeep Singh, and senior officers from the Civil Administration, Manipur Police, and other central security forces.
In 2026 da KCP Taibanganba group duga chairman Aisha Taibanganba yauna state government ka peace talk process ki homecoming ceremony makhak pangthok masi pangthok libasigi maram si KCP Taibanganba group haibasi hana mamangda mainstream da leiraba group amani adubu 3rd May 2023 gi thokhaningda ba thodok yam laiba thiba thodok ama thokhibasida thodok sina maram oirakanda mainstream da leiraba ai isamak aduga aigi cadre sing aikhoi gi public singbu protection pina nabagi damakta makoi life property amadi khoi gi state ki territorial boundary si ngak nabagi damakta tangai padana khoi khutta khulai parak pataki sumai tawdana aikhoi si Kulai Pairaga, Equigi, territorial boundary the Singara Iba Aduga, Equigi, public singi life property, must stay the Singara Iba Kuding Maxi, Natok Naba, Tangaduna, Land Tangaduna Laki.